On April 12, 2020, at 8:29 p.m., deputies were dispatched to the 7800 block of Florence Street in Lamont for a victim of a shooting. Approximately 3 hours later, while detectives were still actively investigating the incident, Vidal's vehicle was located in the 2900 block of Taft Highway.
Units on Florence, North 2, copy. Control 3 currently has visuals of vehicle 118 in Weibel. They're requesting our assistance. We're starting their one and Susan.
It's going to be space 15.
Copy, space 15.
Oh shit! Shots fired, shots fired.
We're going to single shot fire coming.
Shit. Watch it, he's taking cover at the dryer. Taking cover at the dryer. David, he's 50, he's taking cover at the dryer. He's in the pro position at the dryer, shooting at the front door.
Everybody's just in cover. We have resistance payment. We're in cover.
Back up. P3998. Where's he at, Kyle? Where's he at, Kyle? You see him? By the dryer right here. By the dryer. Watch it. He's heads up. At the dryer. Taking cover at the dryer. David, he's taking cover at the dryer. He's in the pro position at the dryer, shooting at the front door. You can hear him. He's saying something.
There he is.
There he is. Head! Hands up! Get down!